Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, I'm actually going to be changing out the battery for my 2023 Volkswagen Taos. Now, you might ask yourself, how do I know that my battery is not good? Well, actually, in the instrument cluster, there's a please replace battery message in there. So I'll go ahead now and show you that. You can see right there, please replace the key battery, and it goes away. That's on every startup. So basically, as soon as you start the car, it tells you that. I'm going now to turn the car off. So I'll go ahead now into my house and show you guys how to install a new battery in the key fob. So I have the key right here. This is the non-flip out key for the cars that are actually push to start. So my 2023 Volkswagen Taos is actually a push-to-start vehicle. So therefore there's no actual flip-out key for the ignition because there's no keyhole in the actual ignition itself. It's just a push-button start vehicle. Starting out, you actually push out this button like this, pop out the key, the actual key blade itself, okay? And as you can see, there's actually a hole inside there. So you just stick the key in partially, like so, and the door we have to open on this key is actually this door here, the top one. So somehow you can jiggle it open with this key, and hopefully you can use a small flathead screwdriver or a fingernail and try to pop it open like that. See, it's pretty easy. There you go, I got it open. So there's the inside, and there's the battery. So I'll get like a small flathead screwdriver right now, and I'll pop it out, and I'll replace it with a new battery. Now I got a flathead screwdriver. Gonna attempt to pop out the battery, the slot here. Yeah, there you go, popped out. All right, I'll go ahead now and get a new battery and replace it. So I went ahead now and got a new battery. Here it is. You stick it in, same way you found it basically. That side, like that. Okay, you get this cover. You can see how there's some hooks on this side. So you basically just rehook it back on. First on the side, you hook it in, kind of on an angle. Make sure it's in properly. Then you push it back down. That's it. It's locked. Your key now works with a new battery installed. And for the key blade, you put it back in there and push it all the way down and it'll lock in place. Absolutely wonderful. So please guys, drop a huge like on this video, share and subscribe. Take care, have a good day, and I'll see you guys on the next one. So now I have the new battery installed in the key. I'm going to attempt now to use it to start the car, and let's see what happens now. Now I'm in the car, foot on the brake. I'm going to now go ahead and push the start button on the lower center console. Okay, and to start it up. And no more warning light about replacing the key battery. Absolutely wonderful. That's it.